Hi everybody, hope you're all doing fine. A warm welcome to yet another episode of the Andropic Army Hunt Season 2. I'm very excited here today. The reason is I'm in the beautiful coastal town of Alibag. So the episode that we're having today is going to be an edition of the Andropic Army Hunt Season 2 Mumbai edition. और एक चीज़ मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि यहाँ पे जितने भी लोग हैं, जितने भी competitors हैं, they have taken their fitness goals really very seriously. And I am honored to be shooting for an episode, not just in Alibag, but at the HR Fitness. And to join me right here, I have Rishikesh, who is the owner of HR Fitness. Hi Rishikesh, thank you so very much for giving me and my team the opportunity to come and shoot down in your gym. Thank you so very much. ऋषिकेश, आपका जो जिम है HR Fitness, उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए हमें प्लीज़।
ओके, तो HR Fitness जो हम लोगों ने स्टार्ट किया था, अभी 2 साल उसको कंप्लीट हुए, तो एक हमारा माइंडसेट था कि सिर्फ लोगों को स्ट्रेंथ, बॉडी उनका स्ट्रेंथ नहीं करना है, माइंड भी उनका स्ट्रॉन्ग करना है।
ओके।
और हम लोग वेरियस, सिर्फ जिम नहीं, हम लोग क्रॉसफिट सेक्शन भी उसमें ऐड किए और हम लोग 20 सेशन लेते हैं। योगा के अलग अलग क्लासेस होते हैं, लाइक हिट ट्रेनिंग वगैरह भी वो सब में क्रॉसफिट में होता है। स्पोर्ट्स स्पेसिफिक बैच, मतलब मैं खुद एथलीट हूँ, एसएनसी कोच हूँ एंड एज अ क्रिकेटर, तो एथलीट को भी हम लोग ट्रेन करते हैं, लाइक कबड्डी, क्रिकेट, सब तरह के हमारे यहाँ।
कहाँ पे ट्रेन करते हैं? जिम प्रीमाइसेस में ट्रेन करते हैं या आप जिम के बाहर ट्रेन करते हैं?
जिम में भी ट्रेनिंग होता है और आउटडोर में, बीच पे भी ट्रेनिंग होता है।
एक आई थिंक एक एडवांटेज है ऑफ having a gym in the coastal area where you can actually train on the beach.
Yes.
I'm sure it's an amazing experience.
Yes. और नेचर के साथ भी कनेक्ट रहते हैं उसकी वजह से।
Absolutely. और इस इवेंट के बारे में आपका क्या विचार है? क्या लग रहा है आपको इवेंट के बारे में? कैसे जाएगा?
बहुत अच्छा है, मतलब स्ट्रेंथ पुश होगा सबका, जो प्रिपरेशन है, जो हमारे प्रोफेशनल्स है, ट्रेनर्स है, जो कुछ क्लाइंट्स है, उनको बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस आएगा। और ऐसे बहुत हम लोग ऐसे पहले कॉम्पीट कर रहे हैं, हमारे यहाँ भी थ्रो डाउन होता है या फिर बॉडी बिल्डिंग कॉम्पिटिशन होता है इंटर जिम, जो लोग प्रोफेशनल नहीं है, सिर्फ जिम के क्लाइंट्स है उनके लिए।
अच्छा।
ताकि वो भी एक्सपीरियंस कर सके। तो ये बहुत अच्छा एक पाथ है कि वो प्लेटफॉर्म है कि वो बता सके उनका स्ट्रेंथ और खुद को कुछ ऐसा अच्छा थोड़ा इमेज मिल सके।
सुपर। ओके, तो मैं इनफैक्ट दोनों टीम से मिल चुका आपके जो कम्पीट करने वाले हैं एंड एनर्जी लेवल एकदम टॉप पे। सो आई एम एक्साइटेड यहाँ पे, क्योंकि फर्स्ट टाइम मैं इवेंट करूँ अलीबाग में। आई हैव गॉट लॉट ऑफ एक्सपेक्टेशन, मेरे को देखना है। बट एक चीज़ मैं आपसे कहना चाहूँगा और सारे जितने भी टीम है इसको, आपको फोकस कर ये नहीं करना कि मुझे इवेंट जीतना है, आपको ओवरऑल मुंबई एडिशन के फाइनल्स में कम्पीट करना है। सो ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट टू यू एंड योर टीम, क्योंकि अभी कम्पीट कर रहे हैं एंड मैं द बेस्ट टीम विन। थैंक यू ऋषिकेश, थैंक you so much. Let's go ahead and meet the two teams who are going to be competing in the Andropic Army Hunt Season 2. This initiative is taken by Andropic, India's #1 all-natural testosterone booster, derived from the potent herb fenugreek. This scientifically backed and thoroughly tested product guarantees 0 side effects and 100% results from the very first dosage, enhancing testosterone levels, endurance and performance. Perfect for athletes, fitness enthusiasts, and individuals seeking overall well-being. Andropic can be seamlessly added to your daily stack, providing a natural and safe way to optimize your health and fitness goals. Experience the transformative power of Andropic and unlock your full potential today. Team that we have right here, we have the Tough Tigers, and from the Tough Tigers we have Arjun. Okay, next we have is Omkar. Okay, next joining the team we have Mayuresh. And the final member we have is Nikhilesh. Okay, and they're going to be competing against the Fit Wolves. We have Rishikesh, Shreyas. Next we have is Nitesh. And the final athlete that we have is Deep. Okay, so we're going to be starting with the first round right at the Andropic Army Hunt Season 2. So I'm here with the two athletes who are going to be competing in this particular round. We have Omkar and we have Nitesh. Omkar is here from Tough Tigers and Nitesh is here from Fit Wolves. लेकिन स्टार्ट करने से पहले आपको तो फॉर्मेट पता है यार, स्टार्ट करने पहले टॉस करना ज़रूरी है। तो मेरे पास फिलहाल 10 रुपये का कॉइन है, मैं टॉस करने जा रहा हूँ। Who's going to be calling? Heads, tails. आप कॉल करोगे? ठीक है। Heads is the call and tails it is. आप जीत गए। आप जानना चाहते हैं या you want ओमकार to go? ओमकार? Okay, so ओमकार आपका बॉडी वेट है 95 और आपका बॉडी वेट है 93. So let's get the weights racked up and we can start off with the first round. All the very best. लेकिन स्टार्ट करने से पहले आपको आपके अपोनेंट को कुछ मैसेज देना चाहते हो? बी अवेयर मैन। और आपको क्या बोलना है इनको? कुछ नहीं। सुपर। एक्शन विल स्पीक लाउडर देन वर्ड्स। सो लेट्स गो अहेड एंड लेट द गेम बिगिन राइट हियर, द एंड्रोपिक आर्मी हंट सीजन 2.
In level 1, the participant needs to perform full range squats with the bar loaded equal to his body weight. Now these squats are to be performed within the time frame of 3 minutes. One rep will be equal to 1 point.
Okay, so we're going to be starting off with the squats. We have Omkar from Tough Tigers. Omkar, are you ready? आपका बार सेट है, वेट सेट है. 3 minutes I'm going to start off. Focus. कितना reps मारने की इरादा है? 10 to 12 सिर्फ 3 मिनट के टाइम में. 3 कितना मार सकते हो? 3 मिनट में कितना मार सकते हो आप? टारगेट कितना लेके चलने वाले आप? 30 तक मारेंगे. ओके, वेरी गुड. आर यू रेडी? प्लीज टेक केयर ऑफ योर बार. होल्ड योर बार. आ जाओ. Are you ready? Okay, so in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Come on.
2, 3,
Very nice. Keep going, Omkar.
4,
Very good focus.
5, very good. 6,
Shabash. Continue, Omkar.
7,
You're doing really very good.
8, 9, 10,
Nice. Come on.
10, 11, 12, go, go, go. 13, 14, 15,
Very good, Omkar. Come on. Only 40 seconds over.
17, 18, 19,
आराम से, आराम से.
20,
अगर आपको चाहिए तो ब्रेक ले सकते हैं आप, ओमकार.
20.
ओके. ओमकार, 20 रेप्स हुआ आपका. टाइम हुआ है 1 मिनट. टेक 20-25 सेकेंड्स ब्रेक. गेट योर ब्रेथ बैक. फिर कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं आप. ओके, आराम से. टाइम चालू है, टाइम चालू है. 1 मिनट 14 सेकेंड्स डन. पानी चाहिए आपको कुछ, ओमकार? पानी देंगे. This is a bottle. Can I have the bottle? Yes. 1 minute 40 seconds over. Come on. 15 seconds remaining for 2 minutes. 1 minute 55 seconds over. 2 minutes over. Okay, come on, Omkar. 1 minute you have remaining. Very good. Come on.
23, 24,
Shabash. Come on.
25, 26, 27,
Come on, Omkar.
28,
28 reps. Fabulous. Fabulous.
29, one more. 30,
30. You got 30 seconds remaining, Omkar. 30 seconds remaining.
31,
रुकना नहीं, रुकना नहीं, रुकना नहीं. Come on.
33, full range.
Come on. आराम से हो जाएगा.
34,
शाबाश.
one more. 35,
10 seconds remaining. 35 reps हुआ है. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Very good, Omkar. Very good. You can go take a break. Wow. 35 reps at the end of 3 minutes by Tough Tigers. Let's see what his opponent कि वो एक्चुअली आके 35 reps के ऊपर मार सकते हैं या नहीं. देखते हैं. Okay, so we have Nilesh right here from Fit Tools. Nilesh, आपके अपोनेंट में 35 reps मारे. आप उसके ऊपर मार सकते हैं आराम से. Okay. Are you ready? Come on. And lift. Okay, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's start. Very good यार. क्या बात है.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
क्या बात है यार, वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड.
11, 12,
Come on नीलेश, आराम से जा रहा, आराम से. Breathe and move, breathe and move, breathe and move, breathe and move. शाबाश.
Come on. Well done.
18, 19,
Well done. चला, come on.
40 seconds हो गए, sorry, 40 seconds. नीलेश 20 reps हुआ है. टाइम हुआ है 50 seconds. You have good enough time. Okay. Okay, नितेश, come on. 1 minute is over. 2 minutes remaining, नितेश. 2 मिनट बाकी है. 2 मिनट बाकी है. ट्वेंटी reps हुआ है. 1 minute 15 seconds over. Whenever you're ready. Whenever you're ready. Come on, Nitesh. Very good. शाबाश, come on. आराम से, लाइट वेट है, लाइट वेट, लाइट वेट. वेरी नाइस, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. चल, come on. Okay, very nice, very smooth, very easy, very good, Nitesh. 2 minutes over, 1 minute remaining. 1 minute remaining. Come on. 30 reps हुआ है. You got around 45 seconds remaining. आराम से 10 जाएगा, आराम से नितेश. आराम से, come on.
2, 1, come on, start. Well done, push. Hold tight.
21,
Well
very
done.
good range.
Squeeze your glutes.
21, balance, balance.
आराम से, balance, balance. Very good, come on. 20 seconds remaining.
35,
चल लीड में 36, come on. 10 seconds remaining. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. 37 reps at the end of 3 minutes. Very good. आप रेस्ट कीजिए. 37 reps at the end of 3 minutes. Really very good. So we know that Fit Wolves are actually in the lead of 2 points. But next we're going to move ahead to the plate hold. Let's see how well they do in the plate hold. Which team is able to get more points by holding the plate for a longer period of time. Let's go ahead to the second round. That's going to be the plate hold.
For level 2, both team participants have to go head on with the exercise of plate hold. The plate weight shall be 20 kilos and 1 second will be counted as 1 point at this level. But if the plate is held above or below the shoulder line, participant will be disqualified.
Okay, so we're all set for round 2 right here at the Andropic Army Hunt Season 2. I've got Rishi here, Rishikesh, and I've got Nikhilesh right here. Both of them are all set. आपका टीम 2 पॉइंट की लीड में है, राइट? सो आपको गेम के रूल्स पता है. प्लेट होल्ड करना है, पैरेलल टू फ्लो. जितना सेकंड आप पकड़ोगे उतना पॉइंट्स दिया जाएगा आपके स्कोर बोर्ड पे. आर यू रेडी? प्लीज टेक होल्ड ऑफ योर प्लेट्स. फेस वन अनदर. एक दूसरे की तरफ फेस कीजिए आप लोग. Are you comfortable? Nikhilesh, are you comfortable? Okay. Are you guys ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's begin. No. He's not able to do it. Let the game continue. Let the game continue. Let the game continue. No points as of now. No. Are you okay? You've done 15 seconds so far, bro. Please continue. Very good. Don't stop. 20 seconds done. 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Come on. आराम से हो जाएगा. 25 seconds done. Come on. 30 seconds over. Very good. Very good. Very good. 35 seconds. Very good. 40 seconds. 40 seconds. Okay. 44 seconds. That is really very good, man. क्या हुआ आपको? क्या हुआ? Practice नहीं था. But okay, you gave it a try. That's what matters. So very good. But good job to you, bro. Very good job. 44 seconds on the clock. Your scores have increased by 44 points. Thank you very much. Thank you. And we'll go ahead and I will tell you what the final scores are, and then we'll move ahead to round 3. That's going to be the bench press right here at the Andrew Peak Army Hunt Season 2.
Level 3 is bench press. Again, the bar will be loaded equal to the participant's weight. The time duration for this level is 3 minutes. One repetition is equal to 1 point.
Okay, now at the starting of the third round, there's going to be bench press. The scores at this point is Fit Fools have a score of 81 and Tough Tigers have a score of 35. आपका टीम तो लीड में है, लेकिन आपको आपका बेस्ट देना ही है, no matter what. अभी हम बेंच प्रेस में आने, we have Shreyas here to my left and Mayuresh to my right. आपका बॉडी वेट 90 है और आपका 65 if I'm not mistaken. तो शुरू करेंगे. शुरू करने से पहले टॉस करना जरूरी है. Who's going to be calling heads or tails? आप कॉल करोगे? Okay. This is the coin and tails is the count and heads it is. आप जीत गए. आप पहले जाना चाहते हैं या आप चाहते हैं कि आपका ओपोनेंट पहले जाए?
I'll try first.
You will try first. Okay. Any message to your opponent?
All the best, sir. All the best. Give your best. Sure.
Give your best, all the best. So let's see how well they do in the third round of the Andrew Peak Army and Season 2. Let's go get the weights racked up and let's get started. Okay, so Mayuresh, third round है bench press. ये आपका weight set है. आपको maximum reps मारना है 3 मिनट. आपको format तो पता ही है. आपकी टीम के फर्स्ट राउंड में 35 पॉइंट्स बनाए, सेकेंड राउंड में पॉइंट्स बनाया ही नहीं, थर्ड राउंड आपका है. क्या टारगेट है, कितना पॉइंट्स मार सकते, कितने रेप्स मार सकते हैं आप?
I'll try to hit my potential.
गिव मी अ नंबर. है कुछ नंबर है आपके दिमाग में कि मैं 40 मारूंगा, 45 मारने वाला हूँ?
20 to 30 above.
20 to 30, so about 30 पकड़ के चलते हैं, right? So take your position. All the very best, Mayuresh. Are you ready? Are you ready, Mayuresh? Okay. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's begin. Okay, come on. Very good.
1, balance.
So nice and slow, Mayuresh.
3, touch your chest.
Very good.
5,
Down,
6,
down.
straight.
Yes.
7,
Very good. Continue the same movement.
9, go slow. 10, 11,
Very good.
12,
Nice. Come on, Mayuresh.
13,
Okay. 14. Mayuresh, 30 seconds are done. 14 reps आराम से गए. आप आराम से 50 के ऊपर reps मार ही सकते हो. Okay? Whenever you're ready, Mayuresh. Whenever you're ready. 45 seconds over.
14, let's go.
1 minute done. 2 minutes remaining, Mayuresh.
15, 16,
Very nice. Come on.
17,
Touch down. Full range. Full range, Mayuresh. Come on. Very good.
Go. Go 18,
17. 1 minute 20 seconds over, Mayuresh. Come on. You're doing very, very good. Come on. Focus. 1 minute 30 seconds remaining.
17, break,
आराम से हो जाएगा, आराम से.
17,
Breathe before you push. Breathe.
time is on.
1 minute 50 seconds over. Come on, Mayuresh. You got around 1 minute remaining. 1 minute remaining.
Let's go.
Touch. Full range. 19. 20. Very good, Mayuresh. Come on. 20. 40 seconds remaining, Mayuresh. 40 seconds remaining. आराम से जाएगा Mayuresh. Come on. 30 seconds remaining. Mayuresh, come on, you got around 20 seconds remaining. 20 reps हो गया आपका.
5 more. Come on.
15 सेकंड है और
Balance. 21.
full range. Come on.
21.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You okay? क्या हुआ था? Balance जा रहा था? It's okay. You did a very good job, Mayuresh. You can rest. We'll talk to you as soon as we're done with this round. Good job. So we're done with bench press of Mayuresh. Let his opponent Shreyas come and let's see if he's able to actually get. Our team is already in lead. Let's see how well he does in this round. Okay, so Shreyas, all set?
Yes.
90 kilos का है. आपको देख के लगता है आराम से 40-50 जाएगा ये. Let's say. Okay, take your position. 3 minutes down. Are you ready? Okay. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's roll. Come on, Shreyas. Come on. 1, 2. नीचे. Full range. Very good, Mayuresh.
5.
Come on, Shreyas. Come on.
8. Full range. 9. 10.
Very good, Shreyas. Come on.
11.
Super.
छोड़ना नहीं.
14.
शाबाश. Come on.
15.
Okay. 15. आपका 15 reps हुआ in 30 seconds. That means you're doing very good. Okay. आराम से आप जा सकते हैं. आराम 50 के ऊपर जाएगा श्रेयस. आराम से. 45 seconds over. Very good. Come on, Shreyas.
Push. Well done. Chair guys.
Very good. 20 reps, 1 minute 10 seconds over. You're doing really very well, Shreyas. Focus. Take a break. आराम से जाएगा. आराम 50 के ऊपर आराम से जाएगा.
Come on, time is on.
Lightweight है. Come on. You got 1 minute 30 seconds remaining. 1 minute 30 seconds remaining.
Strong grip. Perfect.
Okay, come on.
Come on.
Full range, Shreyas.
Well done.
Very good.
Super. Shabash. Push. Well done.
Yeah, come on. Come on.
24.
Okay, 24. You got 1 minute remaining. You're doing really very good. 24 reps हुआ है. आराम से. Get your breath back. Okay, come on. 50 seconds remaining, Shreyas. 50 seconds remaining.
24.
40 seconds remaining.
Take last push. Final लग सकते हो.
Come on, Shreyas. 30 seconds remaining.
Push. Well done. 3, 2, 1. Up. Well done. Good. Well done. Super. Shabash. Well done. Push. Super.
Very nice. Come on. 26.
26.
You got 10 seconds remaining, Shreyas. 10 seconds remaining. एक तो मार सकते हैं. Come on, one. Last one. Come on. 5 seconds remaining. 4, 3, 2, 1. 27 reps at the end of 3 minutes. Really very good. Really very good. Your team was leading anyways, but with 27 points on the total score has got them to a different level altogether. Let me go ahead and let's start off with the final round. That's going to be the deadlift.
Now, the final round is here. The mighty deadlift. Here the bar will be loaded equal to 1.5 body weight of the participant. Here one repetition will acquire the team 5 points.
Okay, so we're here for the final round of the Andropic Army Hunt Season 2. We're here for the deadlift. वी गॉट दीप एंड वी हैव अर्जुन गोइंग टू बी रिप्रेजेंटिंग द टीम्स। अभी आपका टीम का टोटल स्कोर है 108 और आपका टीम का टोटल स्कोर है 56, राइट? यानी कि आपको बहुत ज़्यादा डेडलिफ्ट मारना है आपके टीम को जिताने के लिए। लेकिन बिफोर वी स्टार्ट ऑफ, टॉस करके देखना है कि फर्स्ट जाएगा कौन। आपका बॉडी वेट है 82 और आपका है 75। तो टॉस करके विल बी कॉलिंग। दीप, अर्जुन, you call? Okay, so Deep is going to be calling. Heads is the call and heads it is. आप जानना चाहते हैं or you want Arjun to go first? Okay, so Arjun is going to go first. It was like a discussion between both of them. So देखते हैं. Okay, all the very best Deep and Arjun, all the very best.
Thank you, sir.
So we'll get the weight set and then let's see which team is going to win this episode of the Anthropic Army Hand season. We have Deep right here, all set with his bar, very focused. He says my actions are going to speak louder, so let's see how well does he speak. 3 minutes Deep, your weight is set. क्या टारगेट है, कितना reps मार सकते हो आप? 40 plus तो मारने वाले। देखते हैं। Okay, are you ready? Okay Deep. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Very good, very good. आराम से, come on Deep. Come on Deep. 30 seconds over. Let's keep going, let's keep going, let's keep going. Let's keep going, come on. Deep, 1 minute over, 2 minutes remaining. 1 minute 10 seconds over. 19 reps हुआ है Deep, come on. 20, 21. Very good, come on. 1 minute 30 seconds remaining. Come on, very good, come on. 1 minute 45 seconds over. Come on Deep, आराम से, आराम से.
25. Last 15.
Come on Deep, you got around 1 minute remaining. 1 minute. 1 minute. Very good, come on. 40 seconds remaining, come on Deep. Nice, nice. Nice. 29 reps. 30 seconds remaining. 30 seconds remaining Deep, come on. 3 seconds. 29. 20 seconds remaining Deep. 15 seconds remaining. 30, come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 32 reps at the end of 3 minutes. That's really very nice. Let's see how many repetitions is required by the opponent team to win this particular round. Okay, so now we have Arjun here, and Arjun has to do a total of 43 plus reps to win this round. This is going to be really interesting. देखते हैं क्या होता है क्या. Arjun said कि मेरा target 50 है, but देखता है क्या. Arjun, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Please take your position. Okay, Arjun. 44 जीतने के लिए, okay? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. आराम से अर्जुन, very good. Very nice. Superb. Keep going, keep going. Come on, Arjun, just keep going, keep going. Very nice. Very good, very good. Come on, very good. 23, come on. Very good. Very good, come on. 26. 27. Come on. Very good. छोड़ना नहीं अर्जुन, छोड़ना नहीं. छोड़ना नहीं, come on. $34 हो गया, very good अर्जुन, very good. अर्जुन 90 सेकंड्स है, 90 सेकंड्स है. 10 मोड़ चाहिए जीतने के लिए, आराम से जाएगा. 10, चलो 12, come on. Very good अर्जुन, very good, come on. Come on. Very good. शाबाश. क्या बात है. शाबाश. कंटिन्यू, छोड़ना नहीं. और 50 सेकंड है. कंटिन्यू, डोंट स्टॉप. आपके पास और 40 सेकंड है, आराम से चाहिए. जितना मारना मारो, और 15 मारो, चलो. आपके पास 30 सेकंड बाकी है, और मार सकते मारो. कम ऑन. 47 हो गया. कम ऑन. चलो 15 सेकंड बाकी. कम ऑन. Very good. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. 53 repetitions at the end of 3 minutes. क्या खा पी के आए यार?
सर, लोगों के ताने हैं अंदर, दिल के अंदर.
लोगों का ताना पूरा भड़ास में निकाल दिया वो सेट में. This is really nice man. I have not seen anything like this. Really very good. आपका टीम, आप ध्यान से सुनिए. आपका टीम फर्स्ट राउंड में हार गए, सेकंड राउंड में पॉइंट नहीं बनाया,
ओके.
थर्ड राउंड में भी हार गए, फोर्थ राउंड में आपने जो जलवा दिखाया बॉस, हैट्स ऑफ. हैट्स ऑफ. शुरुआत में जब मैंने आप लोगों से बात की, मैंने आपको ये कहा, ऐसी भी टीम है कि फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड राउंड हारते हैं, लेकिन डेडलिफ्ट एक ऐसा राउंड है कि वो जीत पाते हैं. And you made an amazing comeback, man. Fabulous. We have the Tough Tigers as our winners here today. Wow. Superb. We'll meet you all at the presentation. Okay, so we're here at the presentation of the Andhra Pradesh Army Hunt Season 2. It has been an interesting match so far. I mean, this is the first time. I don't want to hurt anyone's emotions or feelings. First time I saw कि Andhra Pradesh Army Hunt में एक राउंड में 0 पॉइंट्स दिया है एक एथलीट को, क्योंकि वो परफॉर्म नहीं कर पाया है. नो प्रॉब्लम, नो इशू दैट पार्ट. लेकिन मुझे लगा ये टीम टफ टाइगर्स एक्चुअली हारने वाले थे. मुझे क्या, आप सभी को भी लगा होगा. लेकिन द मैजिक दैट अर्जुन केम एंड परफॉर्म्ड एट द वेरी लास्ट मोमेंट. बिग हेड्स ऑफ टू अर्जुन फॉर दिस एपिसोड, फॉर परफॉर्मिंग सो वेल, एक्सेप्शनली वेल. बट नाउ it's time to felicitate our runners up who performed so well in round 1, in round 2, in round 3. and also did really very good in round 4, but I'm not able to win today. Okay, today was not their day, but I'm sure they will succeed very soon in maybe another edition of the Andropic Army Hunt. But for now, let me have the runners-up to come and please collect in your medals. We have Rishikesh. Please come in, buddy. Congratulations. You guys did really, really well, man. Next, can we have Shreyas, please? Congratulations, man. Thank you. Next, can we have Nitesh? Abhinandan. And Deep. You guys performed really, really, really very well, man. Really very well, till the very end.
Well done.
Thank you very, very much. And now it's time to call on the winners of the Andropic Army Hunt Season 2. Can we have the captain? जैसे हम लोग क्रिकेट में देखते हैं, the captain dominated the match and overall all-rounder. Can we have Arjun to come on up and get his gold medal? Congratulations, Arjun. Thank you. आप यहीं रुकिए. Next, can we have Omkar?
Well done.
Start off with squats really well. Good job, Omkar. Next, can we have is Mayuresh.
Samayur.
Super Mayuresh. And our final athlete, Nikhilesh, right?
Yes.
Superb. Congratulations. अभी you guys are the winners, but आप लोग यहाँ सेंटर में आइए. आप आइए सर, चारों लोग, चारों सेंटर में आइए. आप चारों को not just the Andropic Army Hunt trophy, but the winner trophy is what we are giving you. Congratulations, guys.
Well done.
Absolutely. And the runner-up team, can we have you as well? Come on. Who performed so very well. Aye. You guys did really very good. Aye. So this has been our two teams who performed exceptionally well right here in Alibag. Really happy to have you guys here. Thank you so very much. Lekin khatam nahi hua. The winning team, we've got a small gift for you as well, as promised. A cash prize of 10,000 rupees. And we won't let anybody go empty-handed. I've got goodie bags for every team member here, no matter which team he's competing for. Goodie bags for all of you guys. अर्जुन, ये आप लोगों के लिए. This is for you guys as well. Thank you very, very much. Thank you. Congratulations. Rishi, can I have you here for a second, please? Now, Rishi is our owner right here at HR Fitness. And Rishi, when I spoke to you, आपने कहा कि आपकी जिम में इतने सारे इवेंट्स होते हैं. इस इवेंट के बारे में आपका क्या विचार है? जो
बहुत अच्छा हुआ. मतलब मैं खुद अभी ट्रेनर से बात किया कि हम लोग को भी ये थोड़ा ऐड करना चाहिए, पर सेम इंटेंसिटी से. हम लोग लेते हैं लेकिन इतना इंटेंसिटी नहीं होता, लेकिन ये इंटेंसिटी से हम लोग को भी अब इंस्पायर हुए कि सेम इंटर जिम कॉम्पिटिशन रखा जाए.
सुपर. सो यू नो व्हाट, टू वेरी ऑनेस्ट, 3-4 दिन पहले बात हुई एंड वी कंफर्म्ड एंड वी क्लोज्ड एंड वी केम टू द रिमाइंड. आई एम रियली हैप्पी वी गॉट सच अ वेरी गुड रिस्पॉन्स फ्रॉम यू एंड योर टीम. This is a small token of appreciation for you. Thank you so very much, buddy. Thank you so very much. HR Fitness has been so welcoming right in Alibag. Thank you so much from my entire team of Andropic. Thank you so very much. If you liked the video, please share it. This is the energy that we look forward in seeing in every episode of the Andropic Army Hunt. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and share some love, everybody. Thank you all. I'm your host, Gavin Phillips. Thank you all and take care.